Hi guys, how are you? This is Gio from investmentsavings.co.uk, Managing Director of Zara Capital Limited. Today is 21st of September, Friday. Forex markets are about to close. We had another fantastic week. We are up to 83.87% on one of our accounts, and well, that's fantastic anyway. So let's have a look at technical aspects of Euro US dollar. So what was happening in the last couple of days and weeks. So first of all, let's have a look at daily charts. Okay, here we had a breakthrough at 25.90. I did mention that from my previous videos, and you can see how perfectly Fibonacci retracements been played out. It touched twice and then straight away came down, and now it's trading at 29.87. So what shall we expect? If we'll see that price will break through moving average 200, we'll get to that sort of level, 27, let's say 64, 65. Then the downtrend might continue. However, there's another thing what might be happening. If we'll have a look at our hourly charts, this is what I did. That's from the lowest of the lows, which was 20, let's say 120.40. We went to the highest level it reached since last couple of months, let's say 31.70. So we have a huge possibility that Fibonacci 0.38 will be played out. I would personally go for buy here. If not, we also have here monthly support with a 0.50 Fibonacci retracement. So definitely we'll go for buy here if the price will carry on falling down. However, in this range here, I would definitely will go for sell anyway. We can see the trend line here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still didn't break through. Another good thing, we can have a look at a 5-minute chart. We'll see the price is getting consolidated, which is really good. What I mean by that, the mini trend will carry on either going higher or going lower. So definitely I would let me just have a look at the hourly charts. Definitely I would put buy in this range somewhere, 130.44. I would go for buy here, and I would go for sell in this range here, 29.66, even 29.74. Once that trend line will be broken through, because what we have downtrends on the hourly chart, because we'll see the prices below 100 moving average, below 200 moving average, broke through what do you call it, trend line. So there is a possibility for the price to carry on going further down. In a couple of days, even within 1-2 weeks, the price can get to this level. As I did say, I would definitely buy here. I would definitely buy here. If the price will carry on going any further, that's it. I don't expect price going any further up. A couple of analysts, they did mention that the price might go to 135, 50, in that range somewhere here. But my philosophy, we are not in the business to predict anything. We are in the business to make money. That's basically having a look at what's happening. So the price can always can come back down to in that range. But as I said, who cares? Well, we are not in the business to predict anything. We're just here to analyze raw data. And as one of my favorite traders once mentioned, his name is Greg Michalowski. He said, if price does ABC, it should do XYZ. If it doesn't, get out. I mean, I adore his philosophical approach to trading, and of course technical as well. So basically, the risk should be calculated. So even in this range here, we go for sell here. We'll go for buy in this range on an hourly as well. Definitely here, here. So we'll wait and we'll see what's going to be happening next week. Um, Price at the moment, moving up, down, and nothing is happening. You can see we are in. So it's everything is live. I always document my work live. I upload snapshots, videos, and my reports weekly or fortnightly. And let's now have a look at what was happening throughout the week. Not much really. I mean, we are waiting for Spain to decide do they really want to go ahead with the bailout or not. Bank of England thinks that recession is over. Well, statistically, maybe it is over, but we might have huge sluggish recovery, which might last for decades. Um, Even FTSE, for example, is waiting in anticipation that there is a rumor going on that we might be losing our AAA rating in December. Whether it's going to happen or it's not going to happen, we'll see. Moody's always comes up with weird news at the times when things are really tough, financially speaking. So, for example, euro is let's say falling, and someone I don't know, some representative of the Bank of England or any other sovereign bank representatives they come out and they do say that they're trying their best to sort things out, and then Moody's comes out and say no, we're going to downgrade you, and does it in such an unprovocative way that that the stock market just crashes. Okay, so basically what should we expect next week? As I said, we'll wait for the price. Price can still carry on, falling further down, and as I said, we'll wait. I'm gonna definitely go for 27.40, and even what do you call it, 26 126 for buy. So these are like huge potential price targets where I definitely would go for buy. However, I would still go for sale, for short basically. I'll go short in this range, 29 60, 29.70 in this range. We'll see if the price will carry on falling down, then yeah, we'll go further down. So yeah, so far everything is fantastic. Performance is great. As I mentioned earlier, we're up to 83.87%. Next week, I'm planning to add another 1 or 2% on top of that. Taking into consideration only 30,000 initial deposit from the beginning, 23 weeks ago. So yeah, another thing I would like to add, lots of professional traders, they do mention that you should risk at any given time, let's say between 3 and 5%. I don't do that. I use a more conservative approach. I use anything between 0.5 to 1% at any given time. So even sometimes less than that. I know, 50 pounds here, 100 pounds there. Even you remember last two tradings were fantastic. 500 pounds there, small exposure to risk, but nice 100 pips profits or 100,000. It's worked out to be about 550 pounds, and that was generated within a day or so. Not bad. So everything is fine. Everything is great. So anyway, guys, as you know, please, if you have any business propositions, RA partnerships, or if you are interested opening a managed Forex account with FXCM and you would like me to trade it for you through limited power of attorney, please do let me know. I'm more than happy to basically to do that for you guys. Okay, anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos, and have a lovely weekend. Thank you.